What type of videos should you be creating? Hi, I'm Sam from Firewave, and in this Whiteboard Wednesday I'm going to tell you about the top 3 types of video that you should be creating to grow your agency. So first of all, we have lives. Now, I know you hate lives. I've never met anybody who does like lives apart from Phil Jones, actually. I think that the problem we have with lives is, oh, what if it all goes wrong? But if you record a video, I guarantee you'll have to do it many, many times, where if you just do a live, then even if it's unscripted, and even if you go a little bit wrong, you just get on with it and do it, and it's just done. So that's the main reason to do lives. The second reason, though, is the Facebook reason, which is that Facebook loves live videos, and you can see all the other platforms scrambling to get on that bandwagon. You've got TikTok, you've got Instagram, you've got YouTube. They're all trying to get onto the live video bandwagon because they all want you to spend more time on their platform. And the reason that they really like lives is because their audiences really like lives. So if you see a little symbol pop up to say Sam Ashdown is live, and you go on and you can see that I'm a Helvellyn or something, then it's a bit more compelling than watching just a pre-recorded video of me just sat on a sofa and telling you what to do. A bit like this then, really. Number 2 is content, and how does that differ from lives? Well, with content we follow the BLAST formula. Behind the scenes, local spotlight, that's events, people and places. A day in the life, so behind the scenes of you as your normal person and not as a, not that a stage agent's not a normal person, but there's a difference between the two. And then a showcase of a property, so that's your little promo videos, and then tips and advice, which is a little bit like this. So that's what I mean by content, to make sure you've got the right kind of content going out across all your social media platforms all the time and doing it by video. And then number 3, Postfile. This has actually been a game changer for us. We now do a Postfile video of almost every single valuation we go to. It gets us a conversion rate of very nearly 100%. It's had our fees absolutely soar as a result of our Postfile videos. We've had so much good feedback on them that we continue to do them and continue to improve them. And they've been phenomenal for us, actually, and for our clients as well. And speaking of clients, we have a little business you might have heard of called Firewave. And in Firewave, we teach our members how to be fantastic estate agents, to grow their agencies and live the lives that they dream of through creating the agency they dream of. So if you would like to go to fire-wave.co.uk/start, you can find out whether your area is available, because we only work with 1 member per area. If it is available, we can have a chat about the next steps and what's entailed with being a Firewave member. We would really love to hear from you, and we'll see you on the next Whiteboard Wednesday. Bye for now.